Hello everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make Vavishka, which is a food from the northern part of Iran. I used to live for about a year and two in Bandar Anzali, which is the name now, but back then it used to be called Bandar Pahlavi. And people in that region, they have a lot of delicious meals, and Vavishka is one of the traditional foods of the province of Gilan and Mazandaran. We start with frying one medium-sized onion, and then once the onion is caramelized, we are going to add 1 pound of beef to the onion. Our onion is caramelizing, and I'm going to add 10 cloves of garlic to this onion because this food is from the northern part of Iran. Usually they add a lot of garlic to it, and then right after I'm going to add half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And then right after I'm going to add the ground beef. It is extra lean ground beef to this, and I let it fry together gently. After a few minutes, when the garlic and onion and meat are frying together, then you start mashing the meat and separate it and put it back on the stove and let it fry. It's very important to separate the meat. And you have to make sure with the back of your spatula you start separating the meat, because you want to make sure all the meat is cooked thoroughly. And when there is no pink, when you don't see any pink, then you can add, I added 3 large chopped tomatoes. They are fresh tomatoes. And then I add 2 small cube potatoes, one at a time. And I have to let you know that there is no water. You do not add any water to this meat or to this food because tomatoes have a lot of water, have a lot of juice. After the tomatoes, I'm adding the small cube potatoes, and I'm gonna put the lid on and let this cook for half an hour. This is our rice, which we're going to eat it with our Vavishka. And people of Gilan and Mazandaran have a lot of rice fields, and traditionally they eat Vavishka with rice. Our Vavishka is ready. It took about half an hour for it to cook, and we're just gonna eat it with plain white rice. Our Vavishka is ready. I am very grateful to the people of Gilan and Mazandaran, and because they have a lot of delicious foods that they share with a lot of other people in Iran. They're very hospitable, very kind, and I'm very privileged to know about how to cook this food. And people usually eat this with torshi or pickle. I added pickle to it. And this is a delicious meal, very easy. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit, Noosh Jan. See you next time. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Love you.